what they say, it's the little things. Sometimes the smallest details can completely transform your day, your mood, and even your home. We often overlook the power of subtle changes, but they can make all the difference, especially in the spaces we use every single day. And nowhere is that truer than in your bathroom. This is the place where you start and end your day. A space that should feel like a personal retreat, not just a functional room. Imagine turning your daily routine into a moment of calm, a little escape from the chaos outside. You don't need a complete overhaul to create a spa-like experience. Forget about expensive renovation or fancy gadgets. Sometimes all it takes is a thoughtful touch or two to bring a sense of peace and luxury into your space. Sometimes the simplest changes can have the biggest impact. A new scent, a fresh towel, or a pop of greenery can instantly elevate the vibe. But today, let's talk about one of the easiest and most affordable ways to upgrade your bathroom. Take, for instance, a plain old white bathroom. It's practical, sure, but it's not exactly inspiring. Suddenly, your bathroom feels more like a boutique hotel or a high-end spa. The natural texture and warm tones of bamboo instantly add a touch of elegance and calm. Suddenly, you're stepping out of the shower and onto what feels like a mini vacation. The cool, smooth surface under your feet is a small but delightful luxury, turning an everyday moment into something special. The best part? These little upgrades don't have to break the bank. You don't need to spend a fortune on a space that feels indulgent and relaxing. You can find a quality bamboo mat for around $5 at most home goods stores. That's a tiny investment for a big boost in comfort and style. That's less than a cup of fancy coffee. And unlike that coffee, this upgrade will keep making you smile every single day. So before you go tearing down walls and ripping out fixtures, take a look around your bathroom and ask yourself, what small change can I make today to make this space feel a little more luxurious? Sometimes all it takes is a simple, thoughtful upgrade to transform your entire experience. You might be surprised at what you can do. The next time you step into your bathroom, just $5 can bring instant zen into your everyday life. Let's talk towels, folks. They're not just for drying off, they're an essential part of the spa experience. Think about it. Have you ever been to a spa that used scratchy, thin towels? Didn't think so. Upgrading your towels is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to add a touch of luxury to your bathroom. Ditch those old, worn-out towels and invest in a set of plush, fluffy ones. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Look for towels made from 100% cotton, preferably Turkish or Egyptian cotton. These materials are known for their softness and absorbency, and don't be afraid to add a pop of color. A set of vibrant towels can brighten up your bathroom and create a more inviting atmosphere. Remember, it's all about creating a sense of indulgence. So go ahead and treat yourself to some luxurious towels. You deserve it. There's something about a spa's scent that instantly relaxes you, right? The moment you step inside, you're greeted by a wave of soothing aromas that seem to wash away the stress of your day. It's almost magical how a simple fragrance can transform your mood and make you feel at ease. You walk in and all your worries seem to melt away. The gentle lighting, the soft sounds, and most importantly, the calming scents all work together to create a peaceful sanctuary. Well, you can recreate that same calming atmosphere right in your own bathroom with the power of essential oils. It's easier than you might think, and you don't need a professional spa setup to get started. Essential oil diffusers are relatively inexpensive and a great way to infuse your bathroom with calming scents. Whether you prefer an electric diffuser or a simple reed diffuser, both can fill your space with beautiful therapeutic aromas in just minutes. Lavender is a classic choice for relaxation, known for its ability to ease anxiety and promote restful sleep. Just a few drops can help you unwind after a long day, while eucalyptus can help cool your sinuses and invigorate your senses. Its crisp, refreshing scent is perfect for those mornings when you need a little extra boost to start your day. Citrus scents like lemon and orange are also great for boosting mood and energy levels. Their bright, zesty fragrances can make your bathroom feel fresh and uplifting, especially on gloomy days. afraid to experiment with different essential oil blends to find what you like best. Try mixing floral, herbal, or citrus oils to create a signature scent that's uniquely yours. You might discover a combination that instantly fits your mood. You can even add a few drops of essential oil to a warm bath for a truly immersive aromatherapy experience. The steam will help disperse the scent, surrounding you in a cloud of relaxation as you soak. Remember, scent is a powerful sense that can have a significant impact on our mood and well-being. Taking a moment to breathe in your favorite aroma can help you reset, refocus, and recharge even on the busiest days. So don't underestimate the power of a little aromatherapy in creating a spa-like atmosphere in your bathroom. With just a few simple touches, you can turn your daily routine into a rejuvenating ritual that soothes your mind and lifts your spirits. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood of any room, and the bathroom is no exception. The right lighting can instantly transform your bathroom from a purely functional space into a soothing retreat where you can unwind and recharge. Whether you're getting ready for the day or winding down in the evening, the atmosphere you create with lighting can make all the difference in how you feel. Harsh fluorescent lighting can be jarring and uninviting, making it difficult to relax. In contrast, soft, warm lighting can create a sense of calm and relaxation, helping to melt away the stresses of the day. Consider the impact that different types of lighting have on your mood and choose fixtures that support a tranquil environment. If your bathroom has a window, make the most of natural light. Sunlight not only brightens up the space, but also brings a sense of freshness and vitality that artificial lighting can't quite replicate. During the day, open the blinds or curtains to let the sun shine in. Allowing natural light to flood your bathroom can boost your mood and help you feel more connected to the outdoors even while indoors. Natural light is not only good for your mood, but can also make your bathroom feel more spacious and inviting. A sunlit bathroom feels airy and open, making it the perfect place to start or end your day. In the evenings, create a warm and inviting ambiance with dimmable LED bulbs. These allow you to tailor the lighting to your needs, whether you want a soft glow for a relaxing bath or brighter light for your nighttime routine. These bulbs are energy efficient and allow you to adjust the brightness to your liking. With a simple turn of a dimmer switch, you can shift the mood from energizing to tranquil, making your bathroom a versatile space for any time of day. You can also use candles to create a relaxing and romantic atmosphere. The gentle flicker of candlelight adds a touch of luxury and serenity, perfect for unwinding after a long day or enjoying a spa-like experience at home. When it comes to color, opt for calming and neutral tones like blues, greens, and grays. These shades are known to promote relaxation and can help reduce stress, making your bathroom feel like a peaceful sanctuary. These colors are known for their soothing properties and can help create a spa-like atmosphere. Pairing them with natural materials such as wood or stone can further enhance the sense of tranquility in your space. You can add pops of color with towels, bath mats, or decorative items, but keep the overall color scheme serene and calming. By thoughtfully combining lighting, color, and decor, you can turn your bathroom into a personal oasis where relaxation comes naturally. Bringing a touch of nature into your bathroom can instantly make it feel more serene and spa-like. Plants not only add visual appeal, but also help purify the air and create a more refreshing atmosphere. Choose plants that thrive in humid environments, such as aloe vera, bamboo, or snake plants. These plants are relatively low maintenance and can tolerate the fluctuating temperatures and humidity levels of a bathroom. You can place small potted plants on the windowsill, vanity, or even hang them from the ceiling. If you're short on space, consider adding a vase of fresh flowers or a bowl of potpourri to bring in natural scents and colors. Remember to choose plants that are safe for pets and children if they frequent the bathroom. With a little greenery, you can easily transform your bathroom into a tranquil oasis that feels connected to nature. Let's face it, clutter can be a major source of stress, and a cluttered bathroom, well, that's just asking for a less than relaxing experience. One of the key principles of creating a spa-like atmosphere is to keep things clean, organized, and clutter-free. Start by clearing off all surfaces. That means putting away toiletries, makeup, and anything else that doesn't belong out in the open. Invest in some stylish storage solutions to keep everything organized and within easy reach. Think baskets for towels, trays for toiletries, and drawer dividers for makeup and other small spa-like bathroom. What's a trip to the spa without some soothing music playing in the background? Sound plays a crucial role in creating a relaxing and immersive spa experience. Invest in a waterproof Bluetooth speaker that you can easily take into the bathroom with you. There are many affordable options available that offer great sound quality. Create a playlist of calming and relaxing music such as nature sounds, instrumental music, or ambient electronic. You can also find curated spa playlists on music streaming services like Spotify or Apple Music. If music isn't your thing, consider listening to a guided meditation or nature sounds. The sound of rain falling or waves crashing can be incredibly soothing and help to create a truly immersive spa-like experience. Creating a spa-like experience at home is all about indulging in those little luxuries that make you feel pampered and relaxed. And the best part is you don't have to spend a fortune to achieve that feeling. Start by investing in some luxurious bath products such as bath salts, essential oils, or a plush bathrobe. These little indulgences can make a world of difference in creating a spa-like experience. Consider adding a few decorative touches such as candles, a bamboo mat, or a small vase of flowers. These small details can elevate the overall ambiance of your bathroom and make it feel more luxurious. Remember, creating a spa-like experience at home is all about creating a sanctuary where you can relax, unwind, and pamper yourself. So go ahead and add those little touches that make you feel special and create an oasis of calm in your own home. Remember that bamboo mat we talked about? That's just the beginning. Imagine stepping out of a hot shower, wrapping yourself in a plush towel, and stepping onto that mat. You've got essential oils diffusing a calming scent, soft lighting setting the mood, and maybe even some relaxing music playing in the background. It's amazing how a few simple changes can transform your bathroom from a purely functional space into a haven of relaxation. And the best part? You don't need a contractor or a big budget to make it happen. Just a little creativity and a willingness to treat yourself to those small everyday luxuries. So go ahead, turn on the diffuser, light some candles, and get ready to unwind in your very own spa oasis.